In this video, I'll show you how to make $100,000 a year that anybody can do starting from scratch as a beginner with not a lot of experience. If you follow these steps, you'll be in a good position to make income within the first 3 to 6 months if you're doing this particular business. Now, before we get into it, hit that subscribe button to get content just like this. My name is Nehemiah Jeffrey. I've been dealing with all different types of businesses. I've had a lot of failures and a lot of successes. Currently, I own and operate retail stores here in Brooklyn. I've done Airbnb arbitrage. I fix and flip homes. I've done a bunch of different types of online businesses. A lot of them failed. So I'm going to tell you what I know works. So let's get right into it. The number one thing you have to understand is that you have to dedicate time towards your business. And you can't trade time for money, right? So what I mean by that is working 60-hour work weeks at $15 an hour, you will never get rich. There is no mathematical equation that will get you to be a millionaire or a billionaire. It does not exist. So the mindset is that you have to be able to work 5 hours or 4 hours each week to make $5,000 to $100,000 a month. That is the mentality to have. So that's that. Now, the question is, how do you get there? Well, the first thing I would suggest is that you work 4 hours each day on your business, regardless of your schedule. Now, I didn't say you're gonna get a good sleep. You ain't gonna get good sleep with this type of business, in particular if you're working a lot of hours at your main job. You keep your main job. You need that job to pay all your bills. You want to work 2 hours in the morning time, 2 hours in the evening time. So you get up at 5 a.m., work from 5 to 7. You go to work, be there at 9, get off at 5, do all the extracurricular things you have to do after 5. From 9 to 11, another 2 hours of work on your side business. You do this for 6 months straight, your business will take off. The third thing is, what are you going to do in terms of what type of business you're going to do? Well, I would suggest you go into the service business, and I like service businesses. Now, if the idea is that you're going to be the middleman between a buyer and seller of services and also a seller of products and services. That is your objective, is to be the middleman. You can literally not lift a finger. You should be able to do everything on your laptop, okay? How do you do this? Number one, pick a service. Let's say we're going to go with remote cleaning. Remote cleaning is a fantastic business. Create a website, go to Bluehost. Bluehost is really good, been out a very long time. You're going to pay $20 a month. Figure out how to make the website, do the YouTube videos, figure it out. Copy and paste a website that's already working. Copy and paste the image, not the exact images, but similar images, similar titles, similar, information. Put it all on the website. Now you're done with the website. Second thing is you're going to go what they call with Google Local Service Ads. Google Local Service Ads is what you need to run ads for the service business you want to have. Now, for remote cleaning, you got to have a P.O. box for your remote cleaning. So you got to get a P.O. box. You're going to pay $20 a month. Pay the money, get the P.O. box. Now you're set up. Apply for Google Local Service Ads. Do all the requirements, insurance, LLC, bank account. Do it all. Get through the steps. Figure out how to do it. Now you're on Google Local Service Ads. Third step is you have to tell your friends and family of the service that you're offering. Now, because before we can get to the fourth step, you got to build up a book of business first, right? So you got to get clients that's recurring, clients that you, let's say, clean their homes every 2 weeks, right? Once you get about 5, 6 clients of doing that, of reaching out to friends and family, people that you know that would like the service to be done. You reach out to House Call Pro. Fantastic business, fantastic little business whereby they're going to do all your back end work, right? They're going to book the customers for you on the calendar. So when people want to get a job done, they put it on the calendar. You look at the calendar, say, okay, on a Tuesday at 5 o'clock, I know that I have to clean this person's house. Second thing is they're going to do your invoicing. So when it's time for a customer to pay, the customer will pay through House Call Pro, which is going to be directed to your bank account, right? Next thing is they send emails and text messages to the customers. You need that. The more contact you have with the customers, statistically speaking, you're going to increase your sales. So you got to have that. That's about it. That's all that they offer. And then from there, the last step is you got to figure out whether or not you're going to do the work or whether or not you're going to hire a company to do the work. Now, if you got a book of business, say you got 10 clients, okay, you can outsource that to a company whereby they take half the profits and you keep the other half, right? And so you can hire one person to do all these different clients, or you can hire one company to do all the work that got to get done. Your objective is to oversee everything like a conductor. Okay, and this is pretty much it. If you do this for the next 6 months, I promise you, you will be in a good spot. Follow the steps. Do it now. Execute, execute, execute. And on that note, we'll talk soon. Peace.